Day, Philippines. We are here to bringing you the latest and the freshest trending news today. Bringing you the latest weather update. Pag-asa said that active habagat to dump rains over Luzon for 2 days. Monsoon rains persist over parts of Luzon for the next 2 days. Weather Bureau Pag-asa said last Tuesday. Weather specialist Chris Perez said that southwest monsoon or habagat continues to prevail over central and southern Luzon, Metro Manila, Calabarzon, Mimaropa, Bataan, and Zambales. Cloudy skies and rain showers and thunderstorm. Pag-asa warned of possible flash floods or landslide due to moderate at times heavy rains. Meanwhile, the rest of the country may have partly cloud to skies with associated rain shower or thunderstorm. This has been Rainfall Dane Rubio reporting for Weather Today. Thank you.
Good day, Philippines. Good day, ICCTians. I'm Mary Rose Perido, bringing you the latest and the freshest trending news today. Michelle Daniela Marquez D., born April 24, 1995, is a Filipino actress, model, TV presenter, talk show host, and beauty pageant title holder who was crowned Miss Universe Philippines 2023. She represented the Philippines at the Miss Universe 2023 competition in El Salvador, where she was playing in the top 10 and also won 4 special awards. And that's the top of the R News today. Again, I'm Mary Rose Perido, trending news today.
27 are confirmed dead in Talim Island in the town of Binangonan, Rizal after a motorboat Princess Aya capsized around 1 in the afternoon in vicinity waters of Barangay Kalinawan.
Authorities said while en route to Barangay Gulod in Binangonan, Rizal, MV Princess Aya was hit by strong winds which caused passengers to panic and head to the port side, causing the vessels to capsize. Live from Binangonan, Rizal, Miss Elaine Irish Gajero. According to survivors, the strong wind blew and the boat could not handle its strength, causing the passenger tilt and accumulate on the left side of the boat and completely capsize. The Coast Guard allowed its captain to sail because the weather was clear and there was no reason not to allow the said boat to travel. According to them, there is no typhoon, storm signal or wind signal in the area, so it is safe to sail that day. They emphatically state that the incident was a coincidence and no one wanted it to happen. On the said accident, the sinking of MV Aya Express in Laguna Lake, Binangonan, Rizal, of the 70 passengers and the crew aboard the passenger boat. Bakit po pinayagan na maglayag ang bangka ng mga oras na yan?
Yung lumubog yung bangka. Princess Aya. Yung mga panahon kasi yun, wala yung signal. Actually, sa gabi pa nun may signal pero pag-aabutan ng umaga, wala ng signal nun kaya pinayagan yung magbiyahe.
Maraming salamat po, Coast Guard Kabalita. Back to you guys. Coast Guard said there was no typhoon signal when the motorboat sailed. Thursday evening, the death toll has reached 27 with 40 survivors. Researching for retrieval was temporarily stopped due to poor disability in the area. Families said the victims are still waiting for updates for the local governments.
And that's for today news. I'm Rachel Aponda Cagalitan for Trending News Today. G4NN TV.